Hey everyone, in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the background color of CATIA from this to this.
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, this is the color of CATIA. Okay, so if you open your CATIA software, you're gonna get this color. Let's say that one day you changed your mind and one day you decided to change this program background color. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the tools, then you go to options. Okay, you click on general, then you click on display. Next, you go to the visualization tab. Then as you can see here on the screen, you have the background option. Click on this color. So this is the color of CATIA by default. You can change it from this color to black, for example. Then you click on OK. You can come back to the same tool, options. Then you can change the same color, the black color, to another color. Let's say orange. Then you click on OK. So this is how you can change the background color in CATIA. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.